So when we're solving really any equation, the goal is the same. The goal is to get x by itself. So in this equation, we have a square root, and the x is located underneath that square root symbol. And if you didn't remember, the square root symbol can also be called the radical. That's the name for the symbol. So if we want to get x by itself, we really have to get that radical by itself first. So I'm going to look at what's outside of the radical, and over on the left side of the equation, we have the 7 being added. So to undo that, of course, we'll just subtract 7 from both sides. And that leaves us with the square root of x plus 18 equal to 5. So now we can see that over here on the left side, everything on the left side is underneath that square root symbol. So now to be able to kind of access the things underneath the square root symbol, we have to get rid of the square root symbol, and we will undo square rooting by squaring. So we are going to, on both sides, square. And when we square on the left side, the square root symbol and the squaring just cancel each other out. And what we have left is just what's under the radical, x plus 18. And then 5 squared, of course, is 25. And then now you can see we're just left with kind of a regular equation to solve. We will subtract 18 on both sides. And we are left with the fact that x is equal to 7. Just to be safe and be careful, I'm going to check that answer by substituting 7 back into the equation. So the original equation, this is just my check over here. My original equation was 7 plus the square root of x plus 18. So I'm going to do 7 plus 18, and that's supposed to be equal to 12. So we'll just check and see if that works. Let's see, 7 plus 18, that definitely is 25. And let's see, the square root of 25 is 5, and 7 plus 5 is 12. So we can see that our work checks out.